Bro, look at this for a second. On the left, short, tapered back hair. Clean, but basic. On the right, thick, wavy back hair that completely changes the entire hairstyle. Same face, same guy, but one detail changes the whole look. And deep down, that's the look you want too, right? But here's the problem. Most guys never reach that stage because they keep making the same mistake again and again. They grow their hair for a few weeks, get impatient, trim it again, then complain that their hair doesn't grow. Or maybe you already tried growing your back hair before and gave up because it looked awkward halfway through. Listen carefully. Back hair growth takes time. Real time. Minimum 4 to 6 months. No magic oil, no overnight hack, no reels trick. But if you do the right things consistently, the transformation becomes impossible to ignore. One day, you'll look in the mirror and realize, damn, my hair actually looks different. So let's fix the mistakes first. Mistake number 1, trimming the nape area too often. This is the biggest reason most guys never get that thick back flow. You go to the barber, don't explain anything, and he automatically cleans up the back. Looks fresh for one day. But every single trim resets your progress. If you keep cutting that area, your back hair will never look full. So stop touching it. Second mistake, low water intake. Most people don't realize this, but dehydration weakens your hair roots, and weak roots mean slower growth. Simple. Third mistake, bad sleep. If you are sleeping 5 or 6 hours every night, your hair growth is suffering. Your body repairs and grows during sleep. Fix your sleep first. 7 to 8 hours minimum. Fourth mistake, stress. Too much stress increases hair fall and slows growth massively. And most guys today are stressed all the time without even noticing it. Now, the solution. First, stop trimming the nape completely. Yes, the awkward phase will come. Your hair shape will look weird for some time. That is normal. That awkward phase is exactly where most people quit. Do not quit, because on the other side of that phase is the hairstyle you actually want. Second, scalp massage. Every single day. 5 minutes, especially the back area. Use your fingertips in circular motions. This improves blood flow and helps your hair follicles stay active. Third, castor oil twice a week. Apply it mainly on the back section. Leave it for 1 hour, then wash it off. Fourth, fix your diet. Hair is built from protein. If your nutrition is weak, nothing else will save your hair. Add eggs, Greek yogurt, sprouts, and protein-rich foods. Your hair literally needs fuel to grow. Fifth, drink more water. At least 8 glasses daily. Simple advice, but almost nobody follows it consistently. And one more thing, be patient, because no matter what anyone tells you, 4 to 6 months will still be required. That is biology. The guys who get insane results are usually not the luckiest ones. They are just the ones who did not quit too early. And finally, growing your hair is not enough. If you do not know how to style it properly, the entire look falls apart. So if you want your hair to actually look like those aesthetic Pinterest hairstyles, I made a video exactly for that. It should be on your screen right now. Watch that next. I will see you there.